is currently going back to the truck to retrieve his gloves. Luckily we didn't get very far. We're a little bit later than what I would like today, but we had a 2-hour drive, so pretty decent considering. We're gonna smash a big turkey. This will be Kyle's first gobbler in 14 years, so I was there for the last one. I got a good feeling about today. Eventually. Alright, well, we're going after the same bird that Dad and I worked last week. He's in a bad spot again. But it's early. It's a cooler day. So, good chance he'll play along. See what happens. You say there, Bessie. I'm gonna kill us a big tom today. It's only been 14 years. It's been a minute. We're gonna get her done today. I have a hard time deciding. I've heard some really crappy sounding heads, but pretty sure that's a dude. That's a dude. That's a man, baby. I'm serious. I think it's a turkey. It's a hen. It's a real hen. Guarantee it. I think it's Jim. Just so much as a chin hair, I'm letting her have it.
The year was 1923, April 24. It's a beautiful day in Maryland, and we're going to go kill this turkey.
We're climbing through briars and up and down steep side hills to get over where we can actually kill the turkeys. He's not in the field. No, he's over across that ditch. Might be best to set up right here somewhere and tuck in. Get him to come across there. You tell me where. In here. I think we want to sneak out just a little further. Yeah, it's actually not a bad thing to be in this thicker stuff. Maybe get down along this edge somewhere. Yeah, we'll get in here and get some cover a little bit so we're not sticking out. Decisions. We've got some thick cover. We've got a pretty decent ditch here to cross. Don't know how open it is over there, but he's hammering, so trying to find the best place to get him. I think we'll slide down into this bottom. Try to get down out of his line of sight more. Try to get over that way. It'd be better if we could get around him and get up on his level. But we'll see what he does. Alright, so the turkeys are up on this side hill across from us. And there's nothing between us but pretty thick creek bottom. So is to sneak out along this side, get down past them, and then cross up onto their level. Because I think they want to go that way, so we're going to try to cut them off. They're gobbling good, though. He's coming. He's coming, buddy. He's coming right down the pipe, pussy. Tell me when you see him.
Okay.
Where are you? I know you're here. I hear him walking. I see movement. About 50 yards. I just caught a flick. Yep, I heard him spit. Did you hear him? You hear him? I can see him. He's coming to the left. Right to left. He's coming straight at you, but a little bit to the left. Smart fish. Can you see him?
Yep.
He's gonna come right down the pipe, buddy. He's in range, but get a clear shot if you can. If he gets much closer, make sure you're holding at the base of the neck.
Okay.
Kill him. Give him another one. Give him another one. Give him another one. Give him another one. Got him, boy.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. I didn't even see that one.
I didn't either.
I was watching that one down there.
Did you? Is that the one you shot at first?
Yeah, well, I'd seen this one down here. I didn't
Yeah.
think you could see it. I thought you were talking about that one over here.
No. No, I was watching this one in
There
front.
was that one down there too. That's when I was watching. You're like, it's coming to your right. I look over. I was like, oh my God, he's right
I
there.
didn't even see that one.
I think he had a bigger beard than that one over there. Let's go. Let's go.
Tell me about that gun, Bose.
Whew. My uncle passed away this year. This was his gun that he used turkey hunting, so I'm glad to get it out and get another turkey with it.
Heck yeah, man.
That was crazy. That was absolutely crazy.
I had no idea there were two of them coming in.
I was watching that one.
So you shot at the one at the right.
This is when I shot.
Yeah, because when you shot it flushed, and I was like, oh no, he completely missed it. And then I saw that one flopping around. I'm like, oh, you didn't miss.
Because I looked at that one down there and I seen its beard. It didn't look very big. And I looked over and I was like, this one's closer. I'm going to go with it. A nice little beard on him.
Heck yeah, buddy. That's a freaking long beard.
Oh, look at them spurs.
You ain't letting him go. Nice, dude. Dude, that's a hammer. Holy crap.
That's a limb hanger there.
Oh, man. That's a freaking set of hooks, man.
I am tickled to death.
Man, if that don't get you going,
Wow.
I don't know what's gonna.
First one, first long beard.
First actual long beard ever.
Yeah. That is amazing.
That was killer.
Dan was definitely watching over
Oh
us there.
man, he was in on that one for sure.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you.
That was awesome, man. I love you.
Glad to have the company along. I don't like doing it myself. I get more out of that than killing them myself all day.
It's a freaking dinosaur.
That's a freaking hammer.
Look at them spurs.